Two people have died due to oxygen shortage in the KBN hospital in Kalburgi. The hospital was receiving about 60 cylinders from Raichur on a daily basis. However, since April 29, the supply actually came to a halt as Raichur district stopped supplying oxygen to the hospital. It was then dependent on local small suppliers from Kalburgi itself, and that is what has led to massive oxygen shortage in this hospital. It is unfortunate that we are not simply losing our lives in this country to a virus, but the fact that we don't have the infrastructure to save these people. Neha joins me with more details of what's going on. Neha, what is the situation right now at this hospital? Have the authorities woken up to fix the problem before we lose more lives?
Well, Tanvi, this is the first instance of oxygen shortage claiming lives in the state of Karnataka. Let's tell you that this comes even as there are several developments in this background. The health minister, the chief minister have been reiterating that Karnataka does not have oxygen shortage. This is contrary to what the government has submitted in High Court, where the High Court has in fact pulled up the government, for not having sufficient oxygen. Now, apart from this, Tanvi, what's really happened over here is that, the district of Kalaburgi ideally is dependent on Raichur district. This particular hospital was receiving its oxygen from the neighboring Raichur district. Now, as the cases started to, increase, even in the Raichur district, the DC of Raichur district has put a halt on supplying oxygen to this hospital all of a sudden on Thursday, owing to which this hospital then became dependent on the local suppliers who were already overburdened. And finally, we're seeing this hospital really running out of oxygen and two precious lives being lost. So much so that, Tanvi, in fact, the hospital even went on to say that these people were already very sick and they would have died eventually. Now, this is really most unfortunate. And what at this point in time, Tanvi, the main issue that Karnataka is facing in terms of oxygen is the fact that the allocation right now stands at about 812 tons. And even in High Court this time, the submission that was made was that the government or the state of Karnataka needs nearly about 1,200 tons. And the central government, in fact, has been directed to increase the allotment. The High Court has directed the central government to at least increase the allotment to more than 1,000 tons. If not, the state of Karnataka will be seeing several more incidents like this.
Okay, so that's the situation in this one hospital, and like Neha's pointing out, if immediate steps are not taken, this is what could be happening in other parts as well. Thanks, Neha, so much for bringing in that update. Let's